Right, welcome to the Allen Heath booth at ISE 2020, where we're launching AHM 64, which is a new breed of scalable audio matrix processors for sound management and installation, with a 64x64 internal matrix and the ultra-low latency 96 kHz FPGA technology from Allen Heath. On board you find 12 analog inputs and 12 analog outputs and Phoenix connectors. Also the S-Link port, which is for audio expansion of up to 128 inputs and outputs through our Everything I/O ecosystem of expanders, modular, wall mount, portable expanders. There's also an I/O port for option cards such as Dante, so 96 kHz 64x64 channels, AES67 and Dante Domain Manager ready. There's a DC 12 volts input for backup power supply and a 2x2 GPIO interface for alarm override or other applications. AHM 64 is a flexible architecture, meaning that we found the perfect balance between the set latency, ease of use, simplicity of fixed architecture systems, but the configurability typically reserved to open architecture platforms on the other side. So for example, you can assign up to 8 automatic mic mixers to manage multiple rooms at the same time. You have full processing on board for all of the inputs and outputs, 8-band parametric EQ, delay, dynamics, noise compensation on all of the outputs, on all of the zones, up to 64 configurable zones, mono, stereo, or speaker processing outputs with crossover filters, delays, limiters, and more. There's also an optional processing expansion module on the front top panel, and as for applications like echo cancelling. In terms of control and integration, we offer networkable GPIO interfaces, PoE powered. We have a range of PoE controllers like the IP8 with faders, IP6 with rotaries, wall mount options, or indeed the wall mount wall plate IP1 with a single LCD display and rotary for volume control of the room, source selection or preset selection. We can also work with third parties via our TCP/IP control protocol, Crestron, AMX, Extron drivers, and we have our own custom controller, which you can see here on an iPad and on our kiosk Android tablet. So these are bespoke, elegant interfaces that we can build for multiple users, multiple device types, and they run multi-platform for kiosk applications or bring your own device environments as well. So thank you for watching, and please check out our website for more details.